I want to thank Uncle and Auntie for raising Kishan so well and making him into this man he is today. And we couldn't be happier for Nikita to be joining such a warm and full of heart family, Dildar family. And we are all very, very, it's reassuring to see, like, I've got to know you guys the last 3 days, and we are all like, we feel secure, safe now to know that she's going to this kind of household, and we think she's going to be just fine. So that's what most parents are worried about, but I don't think there's any more worry now. So Nikita, you know that your whole family are not the speech kind of people, right? That's why I'm here. But I think every one of them will have something to say to you, but I'm not going to make them say it. I'm just going to say it on behalf of them. So let's start from Leo, okay? Your brother, it's Nikita's brother. He probably hates me for taking his sister to Singapore. Now you're taking her to Guangzhou. He's probably hating you more than me. This guy has grown up with these two girls for the last, 18 years? 17 years? And now he's going to be all alone. So you better do justice to that, okay? You're taking her away from him. Further that I've taken her away from him. So just do justice to that. Make sure he's happy that his sister is with you. Yes? Okay. My wife, Nikita's sister. She's such a sweetheart. I've met a girl whose heart is so pure, more than hers. She's Nikita's best friend growing up, partner in crime, everything. They dress up together, ask for clothing advice, makeup advice, boyfriend advice, everything together. From her, what I think is that all she wants you to be is just to be happy. Whatever you do, wherever you go, how old you are, what you wear, who you are with, what you do, just be happy from Jannat's side, from Pam's side. Okay, just be happy, Nick. Your mom. This woman is role model to these two girls. The way she carries herself, the way she loves her husband, and the way she takes care of the whole household and her family members. I'll tell you what she told me when I married Jannat. She said, I'm giving you a piece of my heart. Please take care of her properly, like how I would take care of her. Okay? Now this man, Papa, Nikita's dad. You never hear of daddy's little boy. You never hear of daddy's prince. You always hear of daddy's little girl, daddy's princess. That's because fathers can move mountains for their daughter. I have a daughter now. I know how it feels. I'm dreading the day she grows up and has to get married to somebody. So from his side, please do his princess. Please give his princess whatever he would give. Okay? Ken, promise? Okay. Now from me. From my side, I'll tell you something about true love. Okay? I'm not going to tell you to love each other every day, be each other's best friend, and take for movies and dates, because you already know that. I'm going to tell you something I read about just a few months ago, and I think you should know about this. Okay? Not every day is going to be rosy and lovey-dovey, no. Some days you're going to wake up hating each other, not liking each other. Really, it's true. Ask all the married men around. I'm sure, okay? That's because the way you've been brought up, she's been brought up, it's different. You can find girls from all over the world, but there is no way you're going to find someone who's been brought up in an identical way as you. It's going to be a bit of difference, a lot of difference, but there is going to be some difference. So some days, you're going to wake up not liking her, she's going to wake up not liking you because you did something wrong in her eyes and she did something wrong in your eyes. So you'll say, no, I'm right, you're wrong, I'm going to be in my corner, I'm not going to say anything to you. She's going to say, no, I'm right, you're wrong, I'm just going to be in my corner, I'm not going to speak anything to you. But if that happens, that's your ego talking, and ego kills, okay? You have to remember how much you've struggled to get to where you are now, to get married. You had to propose in Burger King, if I remember correctly. Was it in an airport? Somewhere in an airport. And all the long distance, so many years of long distance, so many years of courting, and 3 days of tiring just to get here. Tiring wedding, all the ceremonies and all that. So when that happens, when that day, it's going to happen very often, okay? The disagreements and all that. Just keep the ego aside and just tell her that, you know what, you call each other love, right? Love, you're probably right. Let's move on. Don't say I'm right, you're wrong. No. Love, you're probably right. Let's move on. And when you say that, that's when your ego disappears and you find it, you realize that more than being right all the time, the more important thing is staying together. And that's the whole purpose of getting married. Staying together and enjoying the company of each other. Okay? Yeah? Promise, yeah? Remember that, okay? Love, you're probably right. That's it. Yeah, so with that, I'm done. Congratulations once more. Both the families have an amazing marriage life, amazing babies, and if there is any problem whatsoever, please call me, call Jannat. We are just one flight away and we'll be there in no time.